Hey friends, if you wish to reset File Explorer Quick Access Toolbar using Registry in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for Registry Editor in the Windows search bar and open Registry Editor. Go to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer and Ribbon. In the right pane you might notice an entry named QATTEMS. Simply right click on it and then select delete and then click on yes. This will delete this entry. Now this is what will reset the File Explorer Quick Access toolbar, and you can also check it. Okay, you can go to the home tab and you can check if the information here has been reset. Also click on these three dots at the top right corner and select options, then go to the view tab and select reset folder or restore defaults. Okay, when you restore defaults, a lot of other options will also be restored to the default value. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.